right, special thanks to this company for sending us their charging phone stand. You can see this is for MagSafe phones, so your iPhone 12s and up. Not a whole lot really around the box. Company info on the back, and then the top, multi-angle adjustment, folding storage, metal material, strong support. And there's the company name again, thanks to them. So let's open it up and see what we have. Got a little instruction manual, tells you how to use it. Okay, easy enough. And then that's it for the box. Take it out of this plastic and take that out too. And so this is a stand. It's able to sit like that. Very sturdy stand, I can definitely say that. And then this seems to be adjustable, so you can bring it way up here if you want, or if you have a bigger iPhone. And then basically, I don't actually have one. Whoa, I actually do. I don't know if it's MagSafe, but basically you would take your wireless charging puck like this, and you would fit it into this. Now, this one that I have actually looks to be, I think, a little bit too big. Yeah, I think. So this one happens to be a little bit too big, but you'd essentially put it in there and run your USB cable down through this hole, about like that. And then you'd be able to have this setting at your desk. Just take your iPhone, put it right on the back. It would start wirelessly charging, and then when you're done, you grab it. Your stand, of course, is going to always stand. That's essentially it. This does not, of course, include this. You are only getting the stand, but if you have a wireless charging puck, you can pop it right in, and you'd be ready to go. So again, thanks to this company for sending this to us, and that'll do it for this charging phone stand. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.